Hi guys, do you want to learn letter like me? Yeah? So let's go. Blue color, red color, orange color, yellow color, green color.
A, A for angel. A for angel. B, B for beer. B, B for beer. C, C for cat. C, C for cat. D, D for desk. D, D for desk. E, E for elf. E, for elf. F for flower. F for flower. G, grandmother. G, G for grandmother. H, H for hotel. H, H for hotel. I for igloo. I for igloo. J, J for jelly. J, J for jelly. K, K for kitchen. K, K for kitchen. L, L for line. L, L for line. M, M for monkey. M, M for monkey. N, N for night. N, N for night. O, O for orange. O, O for orange. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O.
Pink color, red color, orange color, brown color, green color, yellow color, purple color, dark green color, orange color. Orange is orange color. Red color, apple. Apple is red color.
Green color. Pear. Pear is green color. Pink color. Peach. Peach is pink color. Red color. Watermelon. Watermelon is red color. Purple color. Grapes. Grapes is purple color. Yellow color. Banana. Banana is yellow color. Pink color. Pineapple. Pineapple is pink color. Red color. Strawberry. Strawberry is red color. Yellow color. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is yellow color. Orange. Apple. Pear. Peach.